I am good. Kumusta?
I'm good po.
I am really happy dahil you're able to travel now.
Yes.
And the best news is that galing ka South Africa.
Yes, kakabalik ko lang po kahapon. I just arrived.
Galing. Oo.
saya.
Every time you travel to a place like South Africa, ano ang naiuuwi mo?
Always, I learn something new about myself when I travel. Last time I was here with Heaven.
Totoo.
Dun sa Hawaii trip namin. And iba din yung mga natutunan ko sa trip na to sa mga natutunan ko dun sa Hawaii na mga nakwento namin.
What was most exciting about South Africa?
Grabe dito yung wildlife. As in, yung being there sa natural habitat ng mga animals na dati sa TV ko lang napapanood. Parang feeling ko, dream lahat. Parang pumasok ako ng TV. Ganun yung feeling.
Ang ganda. Ano mga animals ang nakita mo?
I saw the big five. Leopard, buffaloes, lions. I saw a cheetah. That was a real gift. Merong 3 cheetah, tapos naghahabol sila ng mga impala. It was a real scene. At pag ganun pala, titigil kang huminga. So stop talaga. Like,
Ganda.
quiet ka lang. Pero ganda, grabe.
Karanasan.
Life, parang sobrang life.
Oo, life, an appreciation, di ba? Of life. At appreciation also because you have a new hair.
Yes.
Di ba? May kasabihan, di ba? Pag ang isang babae daw ay nagpapalit ng hairstyle, ay may pagbabago sa kanyang buhay.
Ganun ba yan?
Ano ang kwento?
Well, I really do feel like a new person. So maybe I wanted to look like it also. So parang to support to see the mirror, parang gusto ko lang makita yung bago, yung connected dito sa bagong Mikey na nafe-feel ko. And Tito Jing really did
Monis.
well.
Monis.
Yes, Tito Jing
Wow,
Monis
hi
really
Jing.
did
Oo.
well.
Ano yan? Pag sinasabi mong bago, is this in the context of what? Beginning a new life? After, the relationship? Ito'y bago? Where are you coming from pag sinasabi mo yun?
Parang bagong version of me. Like, I can feel myself changing from within. So,
Oo.
ang dami din, even the project in Saving Cherry, ang daming nagbago sa isip ko din.
Tama.
Sa beliefs ko. So, gusto ko lang makita din yun sa salamin, I guess.
Right. Oh, ito'y bagong era ng iyong buhay.
Yes.
In effect, no? So, gaano kabago ang bago?
Bagong era.
Oo.
Tito,
You can even talk about your fitness journey.
well, yan sobra yung mornings. I realized how mornings are so important. As in,
Okay. Owning your morning, sabi mo nga.
Oo po. Parang Tito, alam mo yung feeling pag bagong gising ka, wala ka pa sa sarili mo. Tapos, yung habit natin, kunin agad yung cellphone. Tapos, nadadala na agad tayo ng buhay, ng scrolling, ng things around us. Na, if you start your day like that, you're gonna spend the whole day reacting to everything na lang.
Pero ang gandang point na yun, ha? At depende sa algorithm mo. Kung ano ang nakita mong
Yes.
una,
Oo.
hindi pwedeng hindi ka maapektuhan.
Exactly.
Okay. So,
So-
what are you doing now? I mean, owning your morning means,
I started with getting a clock for my room para hindi ako tumingin ng time sa cellphone ko. Para ang unang titignan ko yung clock, para
Okay.
mapigilan kong tumingin sa cellphone. Para makuha ko muna, ma-feel ko muna na I am myself and I get to decide what to react to. Parang for the
okay.
rest of the day. I'm more in control. Parang mas may decision making.
kasi
bago
napakatagal na
mag-react.
panahon, nag-uumpisa ang araw mo, na-react ng react ka
Yes.
kung ano ang nababasa mo sa cellphone.
Nafe-feel ko ganun yung parang masyado na akong, wala na ako, yung sarili ko, nagre-react na lang sa lahat. And yeah, I wanted to change that.
Sinabayan mo yan sa what? Did you diet? Did you
Nag-member ako sa gym, nag-swimming ako more. I looked for a gym na may swimming pool para I can turn off the sound. Because when I swim, walang signal, wala kang cellphone,
Okay.
di mo mahawakan. That's parang nag-off din yung signal sa utak ko. I stop thinking. I only breathe.
Pero lahat ng ito deliberate, no? Lahat ito conscious.
Intentional.
Intentional.
Yes.
Oo. Kailan ginagawa ko to because I want to be a better person.
Yes,
Ganda
exactly.
naman.
Ang hirap, constant work, pero you have to want it.
Correct.
I guess.
Oo. At saka you're coming from somewhere that somehow pushed you to want to become better. May nagpapatibok ba ng iyong puso?
Ang ganda ng pasok ni Tito Boy lagi.